Are you wondering how the Cooper&Hunter app works? First, download the app and sign in or sign up to get started. To enable SmartKit pairing in any unit, press the LED button 7 times on your controller. Then through the app, tap Add Device. If you're connecting a wall thermostat, it will show in the list just like any device. Log into the Wi-Fi that you want the unit to connect to. Tap Start Configuration when you're ready, and the device will show in the home screen. Manage each unit with on and off. Unit features like turbo mode or fan speed, and temperature range. The operation modes at the top section allow you to switch between cooling and heating easily. Don't stress about your AC, create a schedule and enjoy consistent temperatures. Consider adding voice commands and simplifying the management of your units. Just follow the steps and comfort will activate on your next sentence. Cooper&Hunter brings technology and comfort to you. Finally, remember each unit can be controlled individually with our app. That is why it's so convenient for multi-zones. Cooper&Hunter, addicted to comfort.